Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Natural Living by Enovi, where I show you how easy it is to prepare your favorite meals with healthy options, driving directions around Jamaica, self-care, home care, and so much more. My focus is always on a healthy lifestyle and discussions on how to maintain a positive mindset. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Subscription is free, so all you need to do is press that red arrow at the bottom of the video. Hi everyone. Today we're gonna start my gardening series, which will be the videos with a 99. So all those videos with my gardening and my gardening tools that I'm gonna introduce you to, those are gonna have a 99.1, 99.2. So this one is 99.1. So today I'm fixing my garden hose. It's a very long hose, so it didn't make sense to buy a new one. It was much cheaper or less expensive to buy just the joiner. I saw one at the office and I said, oh, I'll just fix the hose instead. So I got this little joiner. It's made up of 3 parts. You have a middle part that goes into the hose and you have the clamps on both ends. Remember to put on the clamp first. You have to loosen it up a bit by unscrewing the screws. And then the middle piece, which is the joiner, I call that the joiner, you insert it. The first time I tried it, I put the joiner on first. So I had to take it back out and put on the clamp first. And then I put the joiner on, put it right down until it reaches the center. And then I use a screwdriver and tighten it back. You have to be very careful because you can pinch your fingers, so ensure that your fingers are not in the way of the clamp. So here I am doing my thing. So that's one part fixed. So the next side now, I do the same thing. Unscrew the screws a little bit, not totally because you don't want it to fall apart. You still want to have both sides together, but just enough so you can separate them so that they are wider than the actual diameter of the hose, so it can easily slide over the hose. So before you put the second part of the hose onto the joiner, you put the clamp on. So you gradually just take your time, be gentle and ease it open. Yeah, it fell. That can happen too. It's a little flimsy. So I hurt my finger there. I got a little squeeze on it, so you have to be careful. So you put it over the hose. Then you put it on the other end of the joiner and slide it on. It's a little tight, but you can gradually get it done. I'm a girl and I got it done, so we can help ourselves sometimes. You know, you don't have to pay somebody to do everything. And then I just slide it down and just tighten it, and that is it. So now I can water my garden. I really had a problem with the pressure in the hose because of the leak, so I would leave the part that's leaking on the lawn and use the other part to water my plants in the containers, but that it was taking a really long time. So I'm so happy. I got this at the hardware store, True Valley hardware store in Jamaica. I just tighten it back, and that's like a brand new hose. You don't have to buy a hose, and ensure that they're lined up with each other. And that's it, as easy as that. So now we're gonna just go around my backyard a little, and we're gonna see what's going on with my mango trees. Enjoy the rest of the video. Come on, mango tree, all sort of mango, ripe. But so much. Jamaica is such a blessed place. So much that we don't even, people don't want them. You're giving them away, and nobody wants them because they're like Julie and East Indian. But these are pretty sweet too. But they call them common because yes, they are common mangoes. But now I have so much I can't keep up with the giving away and the falling off the trees, because all of them ripe. Almost all of them ripe now. So I'm just picking them off the ground and putting them in a heap under the tree until I get to throw them in the garbage. I leave a few at the roots of the tree so that just to fertilize, put back something in the soil that came out. So my Julie tree didn't do too badly, but those almost finished. 1 and 2 left. Just a few are left now. I'm sure if you can see, the sun is so hot. So these are the ones, people love these. And these are on the last now. So this was supposed to be East Indian, but it was engrafted on a common mango tree, so it came out as common mangoes. So they're here low. You can just reach your hand and pick a couple mangoes and eat. Such is the Jamaican life. We are so blessed. You just have to plant a few trees, you know, eat what you grow. Alright, I'm gonna pick some mangoes. I picked some yesterday, but some up in the top. So I can't sit underneath it up in there. So where are they? So some here. They're not too far. See them? Those are what I want. I don't wait till they're ripe and drop. Those are called fit. So them. Okay. This is my little contraption. And I have a mop stick with a nail. So I'm gonna pick now. I wish I'd set up my see a ripe one over there, so let's see if I can see it. Oh, where is it? See there? I'm gonna get that one. And these mangoes, you can't wait until they're ripe, because when they drop from so high, they will get soft. 1, 2 leaves. Oh, it's getting a little windy. Let me put down the camera and hold on. So these are my mangoes. So by the end of the week, they will start ripening. So in the next videos coming up, I'll be showing some of my little tools that I use to like do my hedge and my little mini lawnmower. I'm gonna show you how I unboxed it and put it together, and how I used it, and how I changed the little string thing at the end to cut. Here is my little edger. It's a handheld, very lightweight, so I'm gonna show you more in the next video. So remember to continue to watch my videos. Please press that little red arrow at the bottom of the video so you can subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost to subscribe. Subscription is free. Make a little comment just to say nice video, whatever you want to say. If you have any questions, if there's anything you'd like to see, it's just a comment to encourage me and to get my videos pushed out to more viewers. Also, remember, you can press the little bell so you'll be notified when my videos are out. So like, subscribe, comment and share. You can share it easily on your Facebook page so your other friends can see it. And if you're watching on your TV, you won't be able to subscribe from your TV, so just pick up your phone and look for my channel, Natural Living by Enovi, Enovi, and just subscribe. Press on the little red arrow and subscribe, please, and continue to watch and enjoy. We have lots more things to do, but because of work, you know, I have to just do things when I have the time. So I'm gonna try to put out a few more videos after this one almost every day for the next couple days, so you will have things to view. So stay tuned and look out for them. And thanks for watching again, and have a great day. Bye. And I just want to remind you that I really appreciate you guys watching my videos, because there are many options out there, so I really appreciate it. Bye again.